Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get football actions in Heartopia football club event update. Okay, I'm going to go to the event menu and then here you will see football club event and then you can go to the store. Oops, sorry guys, I'm gonna go back and go to the store, and here you will be able to buy actions, solo actions. There are basic kipi api, celebration ceremony, and joyful moment. I'm going to purchase all of them and let's try the action one by one. Okay, let me scroll down. This is the first one, I don't remember what it is called. The Kipi Api. Oh, and then this one, the celebration ceremony. And this one, okay, what is this? Oh, that's so cute. Okay. And those are the actions that you can purchase, guys, from the football club event in Heartopia. Okay guys, and that's how you can get football actions in Heartopia Football Club event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.